Okay, so you need to go to creatorcms.com and buy a premium license. When you buy it, you can now download it. Remember, Pinterest is the most awesome social network for website traffic, for e-commerce, for app downloads. Is incredibly powerful. So if you want to create media, take photos and make Photoshop and all that to make digital marketing, Pinterest is the best tool to promote, and we need to empower people in Pinterest. So you click on download and that. Okay, so the next step is go to Creator CMS app.creatorcms.com. Here you enter your email, and here you can put whatever password you want. You click on sign up and you click on send verification, and you will receive an email. You click to verify, and finally you click on activate your account, and now it's activated. Now that you have created an account, now you can log in. You need to open your pin automation jar file and enter your credentials for your Creator CMS account. I'm gonna click on login. Okay, so I'll already log in. So I'm gonna go to settings. The first thing is to configure your root folder domain. That I'm gonna explain you how it is. This is the site you're going to promote, your blog or your e-commerce site, and inside your site you have all your Pinterest boards. For example, you have a board called Basics or Algebra, and inside every Pinterest board you have a folder with your article name and your site. This is my polar coordinates article, and inside you have all the images pointing that are going to be posted in Pinterest to promote this article. I'm gonna post it in the Pinterest board Basics, but here you need to select your root domain folder that you created previously. You copy your folder image, you save your folder image, you click, you save your domain, and you also enter your Pinterest email account. Don't worry, all these passwords are kept in your local computers. We don't keep these passwords because other companies do that, but we believe in security and in protecting our customers, so this will only be on your local computer. This is my Pinterest password. I click on save changes. The next thing is go to queue, and you're going to click 3 times in the scan button. The first scan will say that your domain and folder is ready. The second is going to tell you the scanned boards that are first root domain, and the third one will do actually the scan and will create your database. So I'm gonna export this. I'm gonna export it, and I'm gonna call it 3. And the idea is that you can use Google Sheets to import, to upload this, and this is the exported file. I'm gonna click open now, and you enter to your domain that you want to promote. For example, this is my article on polar coordinates. I'm gonna paste here. You have a couple of columns. These are immutable. You don't need to change nothing. You can change your description if you want. For example, I'm gonna change trig ratios. You can change it, but it takes the description of the image, the name of the image. So I'm going to paste it in polar coordinates, and these 2 are polar coordinates. I also have another article of radians and degrees. I'm going to also promote this. It's a blog about mathematics, about math. This was about radians. So I'm going to here to Radiance. All these images are promoting Radiance. I also have another article about three ratios. So here it is, and the other articles are not yet created, so I'm gonna promote my root domain because they will be created very soon. I also do the same for this and for this, and I'm gonna save this sheet, Google Sheet. You need to save it as .csv. It's very important because the software works only with CSV for the moment. Then you click on import, and I go to downloads, and here I have the sheet. And as you can see, all the URLs are updated. You can scan to see all your scan. You click on Run Robot, and this will run the robot that will automate all this work. And here is a moment where you can go and go for get some coffee. You see I am not using my hand. Here I am in the beautiful Mexico City. That is, I am also a little bit American, a little bit Mexican, and a little bit of everywhere. So the robot will make all the work. You cannot use your computer meanwhile. It's like a render. So you need to go and get some coffee, get a walk, go to it, and you can, if you take a lot of photos and you use a lot of Photoshop and all that to create great strategy for digital marketing, you classify all your photos and you let the robot working. Remember, the free tier includes 10 pins per day. It saves you about 30 minutes of time, but you can buy the 70 pins per day and you can use multiple sites. So it's great for enhancing your work and focus in things that really matters, that are creating wealth, creating courses, creating blogs, creating apps. This works for or selling products. Maybe you need to create a great product and you don't have time for posting it, but you're creating original images and creating great things. So this is where pin automation from Creator CMS enters into place and saves you a lot of time, money, and makes you earn more money. And we only automate the posting with original media, but you need to do all the other work. So thanks, and click in the description to view it.